Good morning. Don't know if you see that single water lily in the middle of the small pond. I wish I can go closer and get a close-up. It's early morning now, about 7:30 a.m. and it's open this time of the morning. About 2-3 hours later it will be closed again. Nature's amazing. If you want true peace, if you want true freedom, bliss, love, all the blessings in the world, then you need to return to nature. If you want freedom from all your problems, all your troubles, return to nature. If you want answers to all your questions, return to nature. If you want to change your life in a profound way, return to nature. There in the big city, busy, noisy city, in your busy office, surrounded by stressed, worried people, you're not going to find true love, bliss, happiness, nothing there. Nothing that's going to last you forever. Go out, return to nature. You will find everything you are looking for in nature and within yourself. The power lies within. Your inner strength is far, far greater than you can ever imagine. Return to nature, my friend.